diet that is effective for lowering cholesterol typically includes heart-healthy foods while reducing saturated fats, trans fats, added sugar, and alcohol. You want to be choosing unsaturated fat over saturated fats. So, saturated fats are the type of fats that are found in animal products, including your fatty meat, butter, high fat dairy products, for example, the whole milk, high fat yogurt, cheeses. Unsaturated fats are typically found in plant based foods, including plant based oil, avocado, nuts, seeds, and as well as in fatty fish. You want to be focusing on foods that are high in soluble fiber in particular. That includes things like oats, barley, nuts, seeds, and some of the fruits and vegetables, beans and lentils, because the soluble fiber helps reduce the bad cholesterol, so the LDL cholesterol in your body. Fruits and vegetables are generally really awesome to include in your diet, so aim for at least 2 fruits and 3 vegetables a day in order to get enough fiber and nutrients and antioxidants that will help your body reduce the bad cholesterol. Soy products also have been found to be helpful to lower cholesterol. So that includes things like soy milk, tofu, edamame beans, and tempeh. Along with diet, regular exercise can be effective in lowering cholesterol as well as maintaining a healthy weight. So, along with diet, regular exercise, and maintaining a healthy weight can help reduce cholesterol.